Welcome back to our NIPS Home School. Hope you're safe and sound at home. This is Shilisha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is lesson 1 and 2 discussion and from chapter 7. So student, let's get started our class. Okay, you have to read this lesson 1 and 2 very carefully, and you have to make 5 MCQ questions from this lesson for your MCQ for your homework. So we will read these lessons carefully. Chapter 7, changes during adolescence and maintaining self-security. Lesson 1, personal awareness of changes and cleanliness during adolescence. The period of puberty is limited within a very short span of years. During this period, changes take place in the state of mind as well as in behavior simultaneously, that means at the same time, with rapid physical changes. Adequate food and energy is needed for rapid physical development at this stage. So we will underline some important line or word from this chapter so that you can make a MCQ question from this chapter easily. So what is needed for rapid physical development at this stage? We know adequate food and energy. Due to lack of food of requisite nutritional value may lead to malnutrition. They become easy victims of fatigue. Hence, they need to take all types of food in sufficient quantities. So we should take sufficient quantities of food. Girls may be subject to anemia at this stage. So anemia, that means deficiency of red blood cells, is called anemia. We know we have 3 types of cells in our blood, so red blood cell is one of them. It is very important for our health. So lack of red blood cell is called anemia. Food containing iron help remove anemia at this stage. So how can we remove from this anemia? Food containing iron help remove anemia at this stage. Quite a good numbers of girls suffer from physical inconveniences due to abdominal pain, that means stomach pain, headache, backache, etc. during the early stage of physical changes or during the period when menstruation begins. Such inconveniences are normal. However, consulting physicians is necessary if such inconveniences become unbearable. So we can contact with our physicians or doctors if we cannot bear it. Okay. All types of work along with playing games can be done during menstruation, except lifting or carrying heavy articles or doing excessive work need to be forbidden during this period. So we should be careful about this period. We should not carry heavy articles during this time. We can play all types of games during menstruation. The children sometimes don't feel comfortable in moving due to physical. In this regard, teachers, parents, elder siblings or elder members of the family can give correct information about physical change of the children beforehand and can prepare them mentally. In this way, the children can adapt with these changes easily. Okay. Now, it is an example about some characteristics of your ages, so you can read it at home. Now, second para, cleanliness. Cleanliness is of specific importance for us to be healthy. Physical cleanliness keeps us cheerful too. Cleanliness is necessary for our happiness. Okay. Sweat is secreted from subcutaneous glands from the armpits more during adolescence. Hence, regular bathing and putting on clean clothing is very much necessary. Girls during menstruation need to be the following. So we should follow these rules. Okay, during our menstruation. Use napkins or pads made of clean cotton textiles. So we should use napkins or pads that are made of cotton clothes. Okay, if textiles are used, they should be washed absolutely clean and dried in the sun. So it should be dried in the sun. Textile and clothing should not be kept in dark, moist and damp places as contamination of diseases are apprehended. So Number 4, as the pads and textiles become wet, they should immediately be replaced with clean and dry ones. Continuous use of wet pads and textile for a long time may result in various contaminations. Used textile and pads should be wrapped with paper and disposed in dustbins, buried underground or burnt. Lesson 2, learning to maintain self-security. Safe environment is essential for healthy growth of children. So, what is essential for healthy growth of children? Lack of such environment often leads children to encounter troubles. That means encounter or face troubles. We can get rid of such troubles if we develop some consciousness among ourselves. More than often, we come to know about missing children, tortures done to them in various ways, and kinds of troubles and dangers that they are in through newspaper. Nowadays, we can hear such kind of news from our newspaper or media. Trafficking of children of various ages to various countries outside Bangladesh is one among such new items. These children are made to work in illegal activities and also in those full of risks and danger. Such activities range from household works to acting as jockeys of camels, shepherds, etc. Some groups of criminals sell out the children they smuggle out to other countries and earn illegal money. Smuggle, that means it is a illegal business. We all need to be careful of them. Sometimes some persons unknown to you may pretend to be among your relations and may talk to you and allow you in such a way that you may commit blunder. So some people allow you in such a way that you may commit any kind of mistakes and fall within their trap. For such reasons, you need to maintain utmost cautions. That means you should maintain utmost caution on your way and from schools and other movements here and there. You need to remember the following for your own safety: not to move alone to far and distant places, not to move alone with anyone who is unknown to you, not to take food offered by unknown person, not to take anything from unknown person, not to respond to any alarmment from unknown person. So we should avoid this type of things if we want to stay safe. Adolescents more than often are taken out enticing parents or lucrative jobs or handsome amount of money in a foreign country. In this way, they are smuggled out and get detached from the family forever. This is highly dangerous. You need to be cautious and to ensure that your parents, neighbors, younger siblings and friends are aware of such situation. We very often go to the market for shopping. There is tremendous rush of people in the market or occasions prior to Eid, Puja, various religious festivals. We may encounter these types of uneasy and embarrassing situations in such rush hours. Touching various parts of girls with bad motives is not an uncommon situation. You need to be cautious so that you don't have to encounter such unwanted situation. Following are some ways to protect ourselves. Conscious and careful to go excessive rush, avoiding going alone to known as well as unknown places, careful to be alone in the house, maintain safe distance to call anyone, protecting oneself from ill-motivated tasks by anyone by all means, avoiding friends who talks ill and obscene. And if you are a boy, you need to avoid or reject friendship with contemporaries who like to embarrass you by touching the various organs of your body. You may inform your parents, elder members of your family if needed, your teacher too. You should consider such persons as your closest friends in all respects, and thus you will easily be free from your mental uneasiness and pains. So student, it is your homework number 4, and at first you have to read this chapter very carefully and properly, and you have to make 5 MCQ questions from this lesson 1 and 2 for your homework, and submit your homework at on next Saturday. Thank you all of you.